One of the great characteristics of the three separate pavilions and the soft connection between each of them is that you get great light through the middle of the building, and it also plays off the textures of the external materials which are actually inside, adding extra detail and extra idiosyncrasy that makes this building what it is. The forms are inspired from a contemporary interpretation of arts and crafts architecture. We found that this was a very sympathetic connection with the existing building and indeed with the context of the area. The green space to the west was broken up into 3 individual gardens. Each garden hedge has an aperture through the middle, and this provides a link between the street and Edinburgh Gardens through to the rear of the house. We've worked with Brickworks now on a number of projects, and they're always fantastic at providing that extra degree of acumen and detail and assisting in providing something that is perhaps beyond the conventional.